It's 2024 and there's a million ways to make money online.
This guy became a multi-millionaire selling everyday products you see on Amazon by just 21 years old.
I've had an eyewear company for a few years. It's my smallest business. It makes around $1.2 to $1.5 million a year.
There are people making hundreds of dollars per day just by creating pins on Pinterest.
In the past 5 years, I've tried each and every way there is to make money online, from crypto mining to stock trading. One way to make money online that I've never tried is dropshipping.
$100,000 in sales in 1 month.
I just made $160,000 in only 2 weeks.
I made $100,000 dropshipping.
Zero to over $150,000 in just 7 days.
What is dropshipping, you may ask? Dropshipping is a retail method where the online store does not keep the products in stock. Instead, the customer makes an order, the store forwards it with a payment to the dropshipping supplier, and the supplier ships the product to the customer. Sounds easy, right? Here's the thing, 90% of dropshippers fail, and the videos that we see online are not being truthful. In the next few minutes, you are going to see me try dropshipping as a complete beginner, and at the end of the video, we are going to see how much money I made in my first week.
Before we go into details, this video got 146,000 views in just 3 weeks. It's because most of my viewers are interested in dropshipping, and that makes sense because most of my viewers want to learn about dropshipping. Is it beginner friendly for those who has a 9-to-5 day job or an existing business? Does it really work? Does it have upfront cost? And whether it's halal or haram? But before that, look at this guy's hustle. Instead of making money in one thing, he goes on making videos on YouTube, which means there is money in YouTube and videos. Unfortunately, my viewers and myself want to get the benefits of an influencer without making videos. My viewers don't want to make videos, so here is an AI solution. This AI platform will turn you into an influencer. Upload your photo and the influencer's video, and it instantly turns you into an influencer. So I uploaded Alex Hormozy's video and my selfie, and look at what I got. This is Alex Hormozy.
So I'm at this dinner with a bunch of college seniors, and they're all talking about how they want to get into entrepreneurship.
And this is Mosh Hormozy.
So I'm at this dinner with a bunch of college seniors, and they're all talking about how they want to get into entrepreneurship, that they're entrepreneurs, they're starting their business. And I was like, hey man, I talked to you 6 months ago. So where are you at with that business? He's like, I'm still getting my LLC set up. What? Dude, that's not.
It just takes 3 clicks on 3 buttons. That's it. If you click the link in the description, you'll be taken to this website. You'll see how it works, and you will be able to get access at a one-time price. And probably this is the only AI platform of this caliber which is still available at one-time price. But this is launch special price. Once the launch is over, it will go back to monthly or annual recurring price. If you want to make videos without showing your face and get results like influencers, this is your solution. Click the link in the description, get to this website, and lock in your access at a one-time price. Alternatively, you can go to moshbari.com/lucid. As a co-founder of this platform, you will enjoy a special price and a special deal. Go get it. It's a 17 minutes long video. Basically, he went back and forth exactly what he has done and what kind of results he got in just 1 week. He followed some influencers' instructions. He has a lot of theory and ideas of his own. And finally, after 1 week, he came to a conclusion. Before you actually spend all your time, 17 valuable minutes, which in my opinion should be spent elsewhere, let me share with you step by step what he has done, because I have already watched the video, done my analysis, and I can tell you what he has done right and what he did wrong. He followed a process called FAST, F-A-S-T. You make money at step number 4, if you make money at all. And step number 1 is find a product. Go to TikTok and use hashtag TikTok made me buy it and try to find some winning product. Number 1 is using the hashtag. Number 2, it should solve a problem. And number 3, it must have a wow factor. To explain you the rest of the process, I asked ChatGPT to write image prompts so I can show you the image and describe the steps. The first step is go to TikTok, search with the hashtag, find a problem solving and a product with a wow factor. Now you need some creatives, which is video demonstration of the product. So you have to buy the product, try the product, and record trying. Then you make a simple website, maybe using Shopify or any other platform. That's your step number 3. Sell with a simple store. Now that you made your store, you need traffic that you need to attract using creative content. Sounds easy, but there was a problem. The product was targeted to female customers, but the video he created was showing a man using the product.
It's man hands and I'm selling a female product. I'll show you what it looks like.
Hey guys, look at this hairbrush. Looks like an ordinary hairbrush, right? But look at when I do this. Did you catch that? This extremely unique hairbrush is very gentle on the hair and has retracting bristles for very easy cleaning. So you never have to worry about build-up and dirty brushes again. Get yourself one today by clicking the link below.
I just don't like it. I just think it's my hands and it's a man selling a female product. I don't.
Simple point, keep it in mind when you create your creatives or content. You don't want to waste your time and opportunity by making this kind of blunder. Quickly show you how the website looks like.
The websites are ready. I'm going to show you how they look like. I've already bought the domains and everything. So the hairbrush one, I've called it Luna Hairbrushes, and it looks like this. All right, so I've added those brushes, and then I've priced it at £13. The description, I've used ChatGPT, I'll be honest with you. And then I've added a few GIFs. I've added what's included, and then obviously I've added the reviews. These are not genuine reviews. These are
Haha, you have a new product and a new website. Reviews are definitely not genuine. And here starts the biggest problem with dropshipping model. This model has been used and abused by literally millions of business owners, wannabes, marketers, everyone, their neighbors and their neighbor's dog. And they literally sold crap. Of course, not everyone, but a lot of drop shippers sold so bad product that the customers are fed up. So it's not easy to build trust of customers these days. In this situation, when you test your products with paid ads, this is what happened.
This morning, I woke up to 2 orders.
Yay, congratulations. Despite of all these trust issues, people are still buying. That's a good sign.
Yeah, boy. Look, we got 2 orders. I don't know if you can look and see. We got 2 orders, but this is the thing. I don't think this is working. So regardless of the fact that we got 2 orders, I'm going to cancel the ads because I just don't think this is working. So
What? Why is that?
we're losing so much money and the returns are not worth it. But that's not the end of this video, because a few days ago, one of the biggest YouTubers to ever teach us about dropshipping dropped a video.
Over the last couple years, I've made millions of dollars with dropshipping, and more importantly, helped hundreds of thousands of people start their first successful store.
No, it's totally confusing. In one hand, he's saying it's not working, spending more than he's making. And on the other hand, he's showing another YouTuber's video who made millions with dropshipping.
So today, I'm gonna condense my 7 years of experience into an easy to follow guide that you can use to start your first successful store this year.
And as you can see in that video, he's basically teaching us how to start dropshipping in 2025. And guess what? I'm gonna take him up on his words.
Well, okay, I like this part, but what I didn't like is that he's switching fast. Instead of trying a different product, different ads, he's completely switching his method in just 1 week. So basically, he went through the video, followed the instructions, and cleaned up his website, made it super simple, and he figured his original product does exactly this new video wants a winning product to do. And for running ads, he would just go to TikTok, find a viral video about the product, download it, and used it in his Facebook ad. And here is the final result.
So it's been a couple of days and I have an update from following Jordan's advice. The ads have been going for a day and some change, and I'll be honest with you, there's 0 sales. But that's not the most surprising thing. I think the most surprising thing is the TikTok ads had a better conversion than Facebook ads. There was more people coming to the website from the TikTok ads. As you can see, we had over 900 people coming to the website just off of TikTok ads. And with Facebook ads, I think 11 sessions. So only 11 people came to this website.
And he got 2 orders that he got before.
So there's 2 things. Either the ad is really bad,
or the so-called business model dropshipping doesn't really work.
Or it's just the product is not great. There's 2 things that I take away from this. Whilst dropshipping is a good business model, I just think nowadays it's very, very hard.
All right, let's stop here. We already know this is how it works. So what I wanted to share with you is that you should not waste your time trying to fool people with foolish products, foolish ads, and foolish methods. Here is what works and will always work. This method is called rant. Instead of trying to find a shortcut, find a quick product, quick website, run some ads, and make millions. That's never gonna happen. Locate people you want to help, whether with product or with service, and find their problem. Build rapport with them with good quality content on social media. Yeah, I mean it. Make videos just like this guy and like me. And if you don't want to make content, stay where you are. Don't try business. Become irrelevant to them. In the next step, build authority by showing them your knowledge, your skill, and your connections with other influencers, movers, and shakers. Step 3, come up with new stuff, new ideas, new content. Tell them the big news every single day. And when you show up every single day consistently, you build trust. When you do all these 4, people will buy from your store, your website, even directly from you. You won't have to look like this guy, trying, wasting time and money, making 0 sales and 0 profit. Get tired, sleep, wake up, and do the same thing. Now I know what you're asking. Mosh, I don't have knowledge, I don't have skill, and I don't have connections. How can I build rapport and relevance with my target audience? The answer is AI. Example right here. I uploaded a selfie on ChatGPT and asked to write a prompt to recreate the same image. And I got a detailed prompt written by AI. Now I went to the same AI, used the same prompt, and pretty much recreated my selfie. Oh, it's not my selfie, but look at the resemblance. What am I trying to teach you here? If you have questions, go use AI and ask AI how to do what to do, whether it works or not. If it needs to work, what is required to make something work? Build skill and knowledge using AI, then use that skill and knowledge and AI and make simple and short videos. Upload those videos on social media sites like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. These platforms will send you customers to your AI-powered automated funnel. This sales funnel will do the selling on your behalf, and when there is a sale, you make $500 to $1,000 in passive affiliate commissions. And that's exactly how these beginner members of our program made $500 commission. It is super easy, even for beginners, because in our program, the whole technical work is 99% done for you. You do not need to worry about creating your website. You don't need to worry about spending money on ads for testing a random product. You don't have to go through random influencer instruction videos. Literally everyone says the same thing. End of the day, your customers are going to pay you money. And for that, you need to solve their problems. If you don't know how to solve their problems, then you need something done for you, where the program solves their problems and you collect the passive affiliate commission. If you want to learn more about our program, there is a complete video training step by step showing what we do and how we help beginners just like you earn $500 affiliate commissions. Check the link in the description. There is a complete free training. You will know the whole process, and at the end you will know about our program. And then you can take an educated decision whether this system and this program is right for you or not. And if you have questions after watching this training, if you have any question, feel free to ask me using DMs on Instagram or Facebook, or you can use this AI chat agent. Ask any question and it will give you the right answer. And if you want to learn more about making money online, getting free traffic, watch these videos and these videos. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, hit the like button, share with your friends and family, and we will see you on the next video.